Hello viewers. Wow, I want to move this car today. I can give it a good clean. It's filthy. I'm going to start it on petrol. It hasn't been started on that for a while. So turn petrol on. Make sure the radio's off. There we go. And give it a couple of pumps. Battery sounds a bit weak today. Nice pitch. Beautiful. Oh, that's going to be a video for the pedal pumpers, isn't it? There's a nice clean up under here. Haven't done anything to this car for a while. The dip's turned to be fixed now that the V12's gone. Belts are a bit noisy too. Okay. You reckon how these suck? Oh well, I've cleaned it now. I'm not sure if I've ever showed it clean, or the inside of it, or the whole thing. I might as well show it. Took the daily drive, so it's nothing special. Nice door trim, leather seats. They're a bit worn, but still good. There's the Melways. And the carpet's in good condition. This is 1977 Series 2. And the front's not too bad. Placed the dashboard, put a Series 3 dash in it, manualised the climate control. Roof lining's in good condition. All the lights still work. I can't complain for a daily driver. I've just taken it for a drive, so this has got a carburetor on LPG. That part's easy enough. No, that's my Jaguar. Put a cat on it a while ago. Thank you for watching.